Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my audio sounds weird, I know. My computer is in the shop. It's been there since Monday afternoon. So I don't have my microphone to use, so bear with me, but I did want to get this video out. I thought I had my computer back by now, but I don't. So we're gonna move on. Today though, I want to talk about, I've had this for a little bit. I haven't tried it yet, but Tarte's new Creaseless Concealer. Now you guys know I tried the Maracuja Creaseless Concealer and that didn't work out well for me. It just creased really badly on me. Some people say I didn't use it right. I tried it a few different ways, but it wasn't my best friend. The Tarte Shape Tape was still my best friend. It still is. I got this in the same color as my Tarte Shape Tape, the Tan Sand, and I'm excited to use it. So this is my first impression of it. Of course, if anything goes wrong or I have a bad experience, which hopefully I don't, you guys know I will give you an update, all that stuff. Or if it's a great experience and this is my new go-to with my Tarte Shape Tape, I'll let you know about that as well. So let's see, I'm gonna try and do all this in one take because I don't have my computer. So yes, bear with me. Let's talk about what it does. All right, it is vegan, full coverage, and creamy skincare. Now, of course, the Tarte Shape Tape is not creamy, it's matte. And it's from America's #1 concealer brand. It's in 30 shades, which is great. And oh, and a new applicator to make application totally foolproof. What it does, it completely covers dark circles. That's a big claim. You guys know my dark circles. Hyperpigmentation, redness, pimples, and tattoos. Wow, tattoos, okay. Its waterproof formula doesn't crease or sit in fine lines. I have some fine lines, so that would be great. It has vitamin C rich Maracuja for firmer, brighter, and smoother looking skin. How to use. Use less than you think you need. A little goes a long way. For best results, pair with our Creaseless Concealer brush. For dark circles, apply one swipe of concealer in the inner half of the under eye, focusing on where the darkness is, then blend outward. For redness, apply directly to any red or discolored areas, then blend outward. Okay, I'm really excited. Currently, I just have eyebrows on and I have my Dior Forever mixed in with my By Terry CC serum, which gives me this glow that I kind of like. So let's try it, guys. I'm excited. First, let's talk about the bottle. First, it's pretty. I like the purple kind of flowers. It's a purple cap with pink and gold flowers, and it just says Creaseless Concealer. It's cute. I like it. Plastic, not glass, and it is 0.225 ounces. So yeah, I'm excited to try it out. The doe foot, oh, it's different. Look at that. So it's a curve up and it's flat right here. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, let's try this out. For dark circles, they said apply one swipe of concealer to the inner corner. So let's do that. One swipe and blend outwards. Okay. I've lately been using my finger to blend out my concealer, and mainly because I haven't been going for the full coverage look. I've been kind of embracing a little bit of my dark circles coming through to give it a more of a natural look. Because if I fully cover them and it's matte, I have to do a full face of makeup and, you know. Okay. So the little goes a long way. I put it on my upper lid as well. I don't think I plan on doing any eyeshadow today, but all right. It gave this, okay. it didn't completely cover my dark circle yet, so let's give it another swipe. But this is a natural looking feel for me right here. Natural. Let's go again. And let's blend. It is creamy, definitely creamy. Okay. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me a little bit of the NARS with the creaminess of it. Okay. I have not said it yet. What do you guys think? It definitely looks better, and yeah, I like it. I like it. So let's set it and see what happens using my RCMA. Let me make sure. Okay. Okay. Let's do the other side. What do you guys think so far? Let's do the other side, and let's do what I normally do and put a lot on instead of just one swipe, and see how that works. Yeah, that's a lot. So I might as well conceal some of this other stuff that's going on. Since I put on a lot. It's creamy, guys. It definitely is creamy. And I like the consistency. I just hope that it doesn't necessarily crease on me. Okay. Let me blend this out a little bit. Or how about I just use my beauty blender and do that. Okay. It is hydrating. It's not as drying. Because you know the Tarte Shape Tape can be, it's matte and it can be a bit drying for some people. Let's set this. Okay, what do I think? Will this be replacing my Tarte Shape Tape? No, but I like the creaminess. I think this is good for a natural look. This did not completely cover my dark circles, but it currently isn't creasing, but you can still see, my dark circles, but you know, would I buy this instead of the Tarte Shape Tape? No, not for me, but I'm assuming if you have drier skin, that this would probably be better for you. But let's see for the rest of the day if it creases or not, and hopefully it doesn't, because the Maracuja was good when I first put it on, and then we know what happened at the end of the day. I was just creasing everywhere, or maybe it wasn't the end of the day, it was a few hours later. So yeah, I will give an update for you. But this is my first impression, and it's nice. It's just it doesn't replace it definitely doesn't replace my Tarte Shape Tape. So that's just my opinion, but it may work for you. You know, it may replace your Tarte Shape Tape or whatever else you're using. So I hope this quick review was beneficial, and I will see you guys in my next video. And of course, enjoy your weekend, okay? Bye.